it's my boyfriend. Baby! Babe, I'm sorry. I was just sitting here waiting for you and she came around. Calm down, baby. Calm down. I was actually waiting for you, okay? I was waiting for you. And this young lady here, this young lady here came and she came around. I think she's a media personnel, I think so.
So you don't know you're not from Uganda?
No, I'm a Cameroonian. I'm not
Cameroonian. I thought maybe you're Ugandan. You look like them. So how are you, my dear?
Because of this thing I'm having here, I have a score like Uganda.
Are you serious? How are you doing, my dear?
I'm good.
You're really looking so smart. You're looking gorgeous. You're ready for the day. Seriously, look at her.
Actually, just waiting for my Valentine.
I know now. Wow. Where's he? You're waiting for your boyfriend, sir?
Boyfriend? No, my darling. Rather, I'm waiting for my girlfriend.
So hi beautiful people, right about now tuli wano ewa Nyondo Media atengera tuli kuyisamu ekintu kino Nyondo Gleam. As you see, the skins are always supposed to glow. Abachala gwengolieyo, you have pimples, you have dark spots, you have an unclear skin, you are not appetizing. Do you want to glow? Nyondo Gleam is the deal for you. Tayerusa, it just gives you the glow, the shine. Ochitegera dabate wetaga filters of the Snapchat, sijui TikTok. Just come ewa Nyondo Media. A number it is 0524680778. It's very affordable and very effective. Trust me when I say so.
Nyondo Gleam, tukukumira kumulembe.
Audio Jungle.
Hey, baby. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you today? I wanted to show you something. Look at this. I've been wanting to introduce this to you. Maybe you'll find it interesting. What do you think?
Let me
It's
see.
beautiful. See. There you go. See.
So nice.
It's beautiful, right?
Wow.
Maybe we can use it for our project. What do you think?
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for coming. You actually make my vows very beautiful. Thanks for being my vow, baby.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. Okay. Come, let's go.
Audio Jungle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. But is it a birthday? It's a Valentine's Day, not a birthday. So, happy Valentine's Day to those who are going to celebrate the day. It is 14th of February, and every 14th of February is a Valentine's Day. It's a special day to those who are special. So if you're not having omwagara, it's better you sleep no mutwe ogubike. So we're moving around. Tugenda kubanga tubuzaako abantu abazokkuza olunaku luno abalulaba ng'olw'omugaso abaagalana. Kati ffe we are out of the day. I personally, I don't think even I will have a mere flower. Naye bibaawo abalusanyukiddemu tugenda kubayozaayoza, tugenda kuba nga tumuvingako mu bufo bw'enjawulo, tubabuuzeeko nnaku lubayisa lutya. Bwe tuva ne wantu kuba nga tweyongerayo naye nga nnaku lwa ssanyu abantu babadde ready, abantu banyiridde, abantu beetegese, abantu bangi eri yonna, abantu bange olunaku baluwa ekitiibwa kituufu, abantu abaagalana gye bali. So ogenda kuba nga otambula naffe. Nze Nyondo Rozet era nga nsinzira ku mukutu ogwa Nyondo Media ne mbaweereza wano na wali subscribing commenting ku waka waffe, sharing. Hey, so tunakulaba ebipya. Tunakulaba abantu abaagalana nakkiriza okulabirako mu kamera. Tujja kubanga ate tunyumyanyumyamuko mpola mpola. Naye nga around nyina omuntu gwe nnengeddeko omukyala. Yeetegesa alabika bulungi nnyo, ayambadde naye ayambadde engeri ya ayina akamuli alabika alinze boyfriend. Tugenda mubuuzaako kanswenti alina buzibu, then tujja kubanga tulaba. Haidia jebaleko. So you don't know you're not from Uganda?
No, I'm a Cameroonian. I'm not
Cameroonian. I thought maybe you're Ugandan. You look like them. So how are you, my dear?
Because of this thing I'm having here, I have a score like Uganda.
Are you serious? How are you doing, my dear?
I'm good.
You're really looking so smart. You're looking gorgeous. You're ready for the day. Seriously, look at her.
Actually, just waiting for my Valentine.
I know now. Wow. Where's he? You're waiting for your boyfriend, sir?
Boyfriend? No, my darling. Rather, I'm waiting for my girlfriend.
No, I don't understand.
You have to understand.
You're a lady that dressed like a man.
Didn't you see me in suit? You see me in my tuxedo. So definitely.
I'll just have a seat here just with you.
Okay.
Because
sit, let's talk. Where is she?
You're a lady, sir?
Yes, I am a lady.
And then you're waiting for a boyfriend or a husband? Your lover?
No. Rather, I'm waiting for my girlfriend. I really don't expect you to understand, but you have to understand in due time. Don't worry, I'll make you understand.
So is she coming? You're waiting for a girlfriend, not a boyfriend?
Yes, please. It's weird, right?
No,
weird, right?
Why do you pretend to be a man?
I'm not pretending. This is just who I am. There's no pretense at all. This is just who I am. Exactly. This is how I think. I think the same way I'm acting, I'm behaving. So it is just like that. There's nothing like pretense. I don't pretend at all.
So you have a girlfriend. You don't have a boyfriend.
No.
So you believe in having girlfriends, not boyfriends.
Yes.
But though you're a girl, a pretty one, who's supposed to be at home, taking care of a boy.
I don't think you should address me as beautiful, but instead you should address me as handsome. Because you can see. Look at me now.
You want me to say you're handsome when you're a lady? How do you feel when you are with a fellow woman in the bed?
That's the best thing that can happen to any stud. Do you understand what I mean by stud?
You said you're waiting for a girlfriend, instead of a boyfriend.
It's a girlfriend. It's for my girlfriend only.
Can you just imagine? This is
Baby, what
serious.
is going on here?
Baby, I was actually waiting for you.
Waiting for who?
I was waiting for you.
For what?
Today is Valentine's.
And what are you doing with this girl? What are you doing with my boyfriend?
Babe, I'm sorry. I was just sitting here waiting for you and she came around. Calm down, baby. Calm down. I was actually waiting for you, okay? I was waiting for you. And this young lady here, this young lady here came and she came around. I think she's a media personnel, I think so. Today is Valentine's Day. I think you can explain yourself. Where were you actually going to, my darling?
My dear, I don't have any problem. I'm just a journalist. I'm moving around, like saying hi to those people who are celebrating the day. I thought she was waiting for a boyfriend. Not until she told me she's waiting for a girlfriend. So I don't have any problem with you people, and I'm really sorry if I'm hurting you.
So
actually,
baby?
Yeah, my love.
I
actually,
was actually waiting for you. Oh, my darling, give me, don't make my beautiful flower to fall down.
Wow, so beautiful.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love.
Thanks for accepting for being my
so this is her.
Yes.
And she's looking so beautiful.
Thank
you know,
my darling.
like seriously, I have a few questions to put across. Can we please have somewhere to sit and at least to discuss something a little bit?
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Basweeti, eno Valentine's Day ebadde nange ntwaliddemu naye nga kijja kuggwa. It's already a Valentine's Day. My boyfriend, he does not celebrate such days. Where do you think? I think you can sit here.
Yeah.
This one is better. It has a shadow.
Okay.
What if I sit? What if I sit in the middle? Will I obstruct?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just like I told you, it's a Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You know, I told you it's a special day to only special people, to those who are loving themselves deeply. So I met this lady. Should I call her lady? Should I call you a lady? To me, you're a lady, sir.
You can rather call me by my name. I will appreciate that.
Okay, what's your name?
I am popularly known as Lover Boy. That's my
Lover
name.
Boy. So
Yes.
I call you Lover Boy.
Yes, please.
Seriously. And what's her name?
My name is Lady Gaga.
So this one is Lady Gaga, and this one is Lover Boy.
And soon to be Mrs. Lover Boy.
Yes, of course.
You know, things are so confusing. So I was always struggling. Yeah, I was always struggling with the Dragon Lady. Right now I have another couple that I have to be struggling with. So, guys, I just met this couple, and we're going to share a few things with you. It's a Valentine's Day, just like I told you. You know, people are having different tastes. People are having different choice. Someone can decide to be what she wants, what he wants. Now, I'll have to pass a few questions to these people, because I would like to know how really a fellow woman can enjoy another. I would like to know how these people do really do their things. Just like I used to ask a Dragon Lady, and she was like, you can come to my bed and I show you. Not until she was like, she wanted to put me in her bed and she,
show you.
Yes.
Exactly. She was right. She was right. She was right. I was waiting for you to ask me that question, and I would say the same thing. That's the common question for. That's a common answer for us.
Okay, now do you think she can accept you to do that thing to me when she's around? Can she accept? Okay, if she says she takes me to the bed and show me how it is being done, and she's doing it on me, can you accept that?
No.
Never.
She cannot.
This one will shave my head.
I can't. This is for me, me alone.
It's for you alone. You like him so much. You say him, Lover Boy, and
Lady Gaga.
Such beautiful names. And now, questions to you.
Yes, please.
Why did you have to decide to be with a fellow woman rather than being with a man? Because you're a lady. A lady is entitled to get married to a man. Where do you have those feelings for a fellow woman?
Okay, my darling, it was not really your choice. I didn't decide. I find myself doing this. At the moment, I didn't know what was happening. Because I was still to find myself. I didn't know what was happening. From childhood, when I was growing up, I started behaving abnormal, because my parents would rather say I'm behaving abnormal, you know, because I would do things like a boy, I will climb trees, you know, the kind of this thing they play when you're from your childhood. Yeah, I'm like a little baby girl who play with maybe cooking food and stuff like that. But me,
things for that represent
with a boy, yeah, I will rather fix cars, you know, push cars. I can get a wood, like just a tree like this, and then I will chop it off and carve. Yes, and I will carve to make my own car. So I'm always building. I will build houses. I will, at the age of 14, my first attraction, I was attracted to a woman instead. And I thought it was normal. I had to tell my mom about it. And I was even getting attracted to my own cousin sister. So it wasn't easy. My mom was like, what are you saying and what are you talking about? You are my little girl, so you should not get attracted to your fellow woman. Yeah, I didn't buy that. I thought it was really normal, really. I thought it was normal, and that is how it has been all along. So it was just for me to find myself where I belong, what is happening to me, because really I could see straight people, they will always go with woman and man as it is. So I was like, okay, why is my own different? Until with the help of studies, I had to know what was actually wrong with me. So it was not really a decision. It was just something there, like it's just there, stick there.
Just in you.
Just
so
in me.
Not just decide, but it was in
I
you.
did
The
not.
feelings were there already.
Yes, I did not.
Now, haven't you ever fallen in love with a man ever since?
No, instead I find men not attractive, and I instead find them like friends, brothers, and that is how we really see them. That is how we see them, because I think, okay, I will always be like, okay, you're a man and I'm also a man, because I see myself like a man. I don't even know why. I don't, like I said, I don't know how to explain it. It is just happening. So I will see you like my fellow friend, like.
So you don't have any feelings?
No, not at all.
Just like a woman, just like I am here with you, I just feel just normal. I can't feel anything. I cannot have any feelings with her, just like it is, because it is normal. So with you, it happens to be the same way when you are with a man. You feel like you just friends. You don't feel anything for a man.
Not at
all. Completely.
I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything for a man.
Since your childhood?
No. But there's a little story. Okay, they said I should at least try, that I've never given it a chance. So I had this best friend. So I'm not going to mention his name. I told her how, I was like, okay, can we talk? How is it like? Can we try? And each time I would be like, okay, please, can you just give me alcohol so that I would drink because I wanted to try.
A man?
Yeah, I wanted to try, because so many people are when you are growing up in the village, you know how it is. They see me as nasty. They stop other people from coming to our compound because they said I was an abominable child. That's how they were calling me, an abominable child, because I will always do things abnormally as they think. But to me, it was normal, So I think at the age of, like I was saying, at the age of 20, was it 2019 approximately, if I can still recall, I had to talk to my best friend. We play ball together, we do stuff together. I asked him we should try, and he should take me unaware, but he should just take me somewhere and get me a drink. Maybe if I get tipsy, he should. But each time I will be drinking without thinking, with that thing in my head that I want to do something. I will never allow it to happen.
Seriously?
Even to go home, I will not let it happen. I will not. Maybe reaching home, he will be like, okay, maybe I said, no, we are not even sleeping on one bed. We will not do that.
So you didn't do it that day?
No, I didn't. And I tried several times, and it didn't happen. So every weekend he will come to visit. He will prepare, because there's this my country food that I like so much. So he will prepare it for me and bring it for me. So there was this day I had to visit, at the period when I was working. So we had to, because he went and talked to his own brother, not having a place to sleep, not knowing anywhere around Dubai. So he was the one to take me around, and he had to, I think it was a friend, not really a brother, and he said we're going to spend a night in his place. So it was just this bunk beds, just the bunk beds. So they gave us just one bed, and that was the only bed to share together. So in the middle of the night now, this guy, I don't know what came over him. I started feeling one strong something on my back here. And that's the reason why we separated. We are not together. We don't talk anymore. I had to block him that day. And he was like, but that was what you wanted. You wanted me to try. You wanted to try. Because even in the hospitals, they'll be like, okay, please, can you just try? Because I have hormones of a man, not really a lady.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Your hormones are that of a woman,
yeah, that of a male.
female.
Yeah,
I mean,
male.
that of a male.
Yes.
Not a female.
No. Medicals even showed it. If at all, had it been I had an idea, I would have bring for you so you can see. It is clearly, even if African countries can fake something, not UAE, because I got all the medical reports.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you for real?
I am. And just now, I'm fat now, so you can see everything like I am a woman. Before, you couldn't see anything because there was nothing here when I was still playing football, doing all my sports and everything. So you couldn't see anything. So I was totally like a man. But I actually have a rare case because I really have male hormones. Okay. Naturally, I didn't take any hormones at all.
Seriously?
Yes.
Now, what I would like to know, so are you trying to say that you've never practiced sex with a man? No. Never in your life?
Never.
Are you for real?
I am for real.
So, can we say that you are still a virgin?
Yes, when it comes to a man's domain, I am. And I am actually in the TV right now. If any man, because I know you're going to put me out there, right? If you are a man and you know that you have touched me or see my, you know what I'm talking about, you can indicate I have a price for it and you show proofs. So I am meaning to tell you that I have never.
So if there is any man that has ever done it with you, should at least go to the comment section and say it. I have ever done it with her and I have the proof.
Yeah. And you have the proof. I'm ready to give you anything you asked for. Okay, let me just put a price. Can we say 5,000 dirhams for now?
If a person comes out and say and say
you give me proofs, and you give proof, we can still take an interview like this. If not, we can do it with calls, still on television or voice over if at all. It's perfect if you can prove yourself.
So things are happening in the world. Like seriously. I'll have to believe this by force. Not by force, she's proven it. So if you're there and you know you've ever had any sexual intercourse with her, as a man, you are ready to come out, bring the proof. If it is really true, she's putting the amount of money that you will take. If it is really true, so things are really happening. Sometimes I'm bringing for you these stories, to understand what is happening in the world. Just like she said, ever since she was born, she has never practiced sex, or she's never gotten any sexual intercourse with a man. You can just imagine. So some of us think that these people start practicing this simply because they want money, simply because they're seeing other people doing it, that we should call a bandwagon influence. But it is not that. Some people, it is not a bandwagon influence. It is just in nature. It is just in nature from their childhood. It's their feelings, what exactly they're doing. So,
some of them actually practice it. Some of them just get up one day, change their wardrobe, and they start doing, but only few are real.
Only few are real.
Yeah, few are real.
Others are doing it for reasons.
They are doing it for reasons, and in closed doors, they will still do a normal something in closed doors and come out there pretending as if they don't have anything to do with the man. But actually, I'm putting mine out there because I know what I'm saying. Yeah, if you can come up and you give me your proofs, we are good to go. Shame me on television. That's perfect. But some will never come out to say this because they are messing around all over the place and close doors, and they'll come out to be like, okay, I don't have anything to do with the man. I've never. She didn't believe me until something
I think maybe that she's going to believe you. Now, beautiful lady, Lady Gaga.
Yes, my dear.
Now, okay, how about your story? How about you? Why are you attracted by a man instead of being attracted by a woman instead of being attracted by a man?
Let me help you answer that for her, please. Okay.
She has a few words, sir.
Yeah, I really don't want her to explain it because I can explain better.
You know very
on
well.
our behalf. Yeah. She has never been. Let me say, I needed someone that has never done it with
Man.
a woman. With a woman, and she was actually a straight. I am her first.
Seriously.
Yeah. So
You're the one
literally
who
converted
diverted her.
to be like this, and she totally hate them for reasons best known
Okay.
to her. which I
Dragon Lady
don't
told me
understand.
once you try it,
Yeah,
once you
try
test,
it.
but I will never try it.
Some people say it's a spirit, but I don't think so, because if there are symptoms of lesbianism in everyone, especially if you have it, you should know. You should know. Maybe you seen us. You admired it. You understand? You admired it, and you sit and you start imagining what are they doing in closed doors. Okay, when it comes to sex, how do they do it? Can I try? That thought will let you, that ambition in you that you want to know what they are doing, you will have to do it. And if you do it with someone that don't know what the person is also doing, I'm sorry, you will go and you will never come back.
You
You will
not
never
enjoy
look.
it.
Yeah, you will
But when
never.
you find someone who
But
can
if
do
someone that is
perfectly,
experienced, my dear, you're stuck.
you can never go back.
Yeah, you're stuck. You can only go back at the beginning, maybe. Because you have to clear your tracks, you have to do finish up with the other people. Little by little, you'll find yourself fully into it. I didn't know before. Before now, I didn't trust her, but right now I trust her so much. I didn't trust her with the man.
Now, for how long have you stayed together?
This is 1 year 2 months, baby. I think so. 1 year 2 months now. It's almost two months. Yeah, it's almost 2 months, baby.
So, do you mean that you will stay just like that until you leave the world without having given birth to a baby?
Of course, we're gonna be having babies.
You having babies?
We will.
You will have babies.
Yes, of
Now,
course.
what about her? Do you have any kid?
No.
She doesn't have any kid. So
we have kids from
you will have a kid from him.
Yeah.
How?
Fine.
No, I would like to know. So the other question of how do you do your thing in the bed, for this one was bringing me problems the other time when I asked it from Dragon Lady, because she tried to show me this one now. I'm no longer asking it. I'm no longer asking this question. Now, I'm going to ask you about the baby. How are you going to form the baby? How do you have the baby?
Okay.
Because you are a female, she is
We can
as
do
well.
VIF. Okay. If I want her to carry my baby, they can easily fertilize my egg into her. Extract my egg and fertilize it in her.
Do you have an egg for the man?
No, just the egg, and we're gonna be buying sperms in the hospital. Okay.
Okay, and then so you will never
accept
give birth to a baby by yourself.
I accept the fact that I'm not a real man because I don't have all the equipments. Understand? To look at one pregnant. Yeah. But when it
No,
comes to
okay.
other things, I can do more than a man.
When your parents realized that you're doing so, how was their experience? How was their reaction?
Like I said, you know, this thing started from childhood, so it's very okay for them right now. Because even traveling out, I had to leave my girlfriend with my mom.
And she's okay with it?
Yeah, she's okay.
What about the community, other people in the community?
They don't. I was almost buried alive. Oh. I was almost buried alive one time. Something bad happened because I have a shallow eye. So I went and did something bad with the mother. I also did the same thing to the daughter. And I was caught.
They almost buried you alive.
Yeah, they almost buried me alive. So my mom actually saved me, and my mom has saved me in several occasions also as
Actually,
well.
mother can stand for a kid for in all ways.
My parents don't have any problem with that. My mom's prayer is just for me to settle down, because we explained when my mom asked me, okay, so how are you going to be having kids? When we explained, my mom was okay. Because I am actually a breadwinner in my house.
No, if she sit one day and had a word with you that maybe you're a girl, you're supposed to behave like this, you're supposed to have a man, not a fellow woman, did she do that one day?
Yes, she did. She did, and she will always go to my friends to tell them, asking them, please, in my local language, she will be like, my daughter, as when they walk like this, a person they chat them, person they toast them, boy they toast them. And you can't, you as a guy, you cannot talk to me, or you cannot stop me and talk to me. Only my reply alone, my eye alone. You will be like, okay, thank you, I'm sorry. Maybe I was talking to your friend, I'm sorry. So, my mom had to even encourage some men to come after me, and they will just get tired and they will leave. There's nothing I can offer you.
Now, Lady Gaga, do you think staying with the fellow lady is more enjoyable than staying with a man?
Yes, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm okay with it.
You're okay with it?
Yeah.
Don't you think that one day you'll go back to men?
I don't think at all. Because if I think, I have done it.
Now you've already gotten to know which one is the best.
Yeah, I'm really happy because she has tested everything. As
Now
for me,
she's settled.
As for me, I'm chronic in it, so there's no way. I'm not a child anymore, so I'm not going to be saying that maybe one day I'm going to be seeing a man. No, but for her, she tested the both.
Now she knows which one is the best.
Yes.
So now she's
okay with everything.
Confident.
Yeah.
She's totally settling. She don't feel like going back to any man.
Not at all. Not at all. I will practically go to this girl's phone to check what is happening, because I know she's a beautiful lady, and definitely men will always run after her. Do you know what this lady would do? Rather, she would say, please, can you stop saying this? I have a boyfriend. I was like, okay, why don't you say you have a girlfriend? He said, please, babe, I don't see you as like a woman. I see you like a man. So that's the reason why I do tell them like this. She would rather just send them away out of her phone. Can you stop talking? I don't want this. I have a boyfriend. Did I not tell you I have a boyfriend?
She's already committed to you.
Yeah, she is. She is, and I love her so much for that.
Can I see you guys kissing?
Hey, on television. They're going to ban this your thing, no? Because I will do it live and direct.
Let me see.
You want to see? It should be a peg then. Because I don't want to see that thing she's wearing here. I don't know. It's going to stand my...
So now I'm expecting to see everybody putting on red. She's putting on a blue and you're in black and white. Why not ready today, since it's a Valentine's Day?
Okay. Baby, is this red? This is pink. Mixed with a bit. Okay. I really don't know what to say on this. But were we supposed to wear red?
Yeah, because it's Valentine's Day.
Hey!
But why haven't you done that?
I forgot. I think I forgot too. I was just thinking about going out with my girl to have fun.
But actually, you're very smart. Totally smart.
I think I have a red tie. Today is Valentine's. I have
Lover
a
boy,
red tie.
actually.
And my baby has red lipstick. So we're still on Valentine.
It's being represented. I just like her hair. So,
I don't
Actually,
hair.
They'll make it for me.
so you're the one doing this hair.
Even the makeup too.
Even the makeup, she's not
Makeup,
doing
everything.
it.
But as
Everything.
for the makeup for today,
Today is not the way because we're in a
I
hurry.
didn't do it. But if I go to my page, you see everything. Everything from here. If I finish with you, if I finish with you, if you see the power of makeup, you see how beautiful you are. You'll be more beautiful. You'll be like,
How come one done you
you'll be
make
like,
makeup
you
for
like
me?
Lady Gaga. I swear. Yeah, I can do it for you if you want.
Seriously.
Anything.
I will come one.
Anything
So,
for you.
Actually, guys, and now having another friends, it's another couple because of course, the ladies. And as I told you, I am not God, and the judgment is not in my hands. You understand? So we don't know where we all going. So I make each and everyone my friend. Since they are human beings, so it's upon you what you will say, this and that, this and that. We all human beings. So I've got another couple, ladies, and they are going to be my friends. So if you don't mind, please, can I be a friend to you people?
Yes, of course. I
Will you give
gladly
me,
accept you.
will she accept you to give me your number so that at times we can talk when you want to meet and say something we can? Will she accept it? That or I should take hers?
My lady, will you?
Yes, of course.
So
Are you not scared?
No.
You know I'm lover boy
she
now.
trusts you to that extent.
She don't do. I trust. No, she don't. yesterday I was going out. I wanted to go take liquor with my friends. She wouldn't let me.
Seriously.
She was like,
Actually, I've seen what she has done to me the other side.
you can imagine. That's what I'm talking about. She don't have security. She don't want to trust me. She feel like, okay, I'm good
Really,
for the
I
lady.
trust him very much, but sometimes his
my actions.
actions show me that he wanted to
Do something bad.
So you're
Stop.
used to calling him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, of course. She's my husband, and I have to call him.
See husband. See husband. Do you know, actually, on my birthday, my mom called her instead of calling me. My mom called her and she was like, "Did you know today, which was on the 24th December, is my daughter's son's birthday?" I don't, because do you know my mom don't know how to. Sometimes my mom will call me when I do something heavy for my mom. My mom will be like, "You are more than a son. You are my son. Everyone has my son."
Seriously?
Yeah.
So the mother is comfortable completely?
Yeah, and my mom called her that day and she was like, "Okay, do you know today I was my daughter's son was I don't even." So my mom was like, "How do you call her him?" So she was like, "Oh, anyone, mom, anyone." She talked with her and she was like, "Okay," because I have anger issues. My mom was like trying to tell her on what to do when she sees me in that mood, how to behave, so that I should not.
So
not lost one
now
eye.
your mother is aware of her.
Yeah.
Does her mother, do her parents know about you?
Yes.
So
They know about her.
Yeah.
And they
Sorry,
know that
not
he's a
her,
lady.
it's him.
Okay, they know about him, eh? And now,
this one is with me.
now, are your parents okay with it?
Yeah.
Are you,
All my parents need me to settle down
they
and
want
give
you
them.
to settle down.
Yeah,
They
and
want
give
your
them.
happiness.
Yeah.
So they are free for you to do anything. They are free with you to do anything you want.
They just need
Yes.
explanation. They just need explanation.
Now I
If
think
some the ones that don't understand, we'll have to tell them.
There are actually so many things that we're supposed to talk about, but since it's Valentine's Day and you have to jubilate, you have to you have to move around, you have to be happy in your day. So I don't want to really waste much of your time. So can you please at least give us a few minutes? We follow you where you're going, and then we can get some small clips so that we get to know that actually you're not really pretending. It's a real thing. Maybe with the time we shall sit again and again discuss something more than that, because there are so many questions that I would like to put across. But since it's a Valentine's Day, I don't want to spoil your mood. I don't want to waste your time. So will you provide me another time, another chance, at least we'll meet again and discuss more?
Of course, my darling.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
If I give you a hug, can she be jealous?
Not at all. Not at all. It smells nice.
Thank you so much. So we're going to follow them up. Then we shall take a few clips what they're doing. Then later we shall leave them to enjoy. You understand? So move with us, follow us, and as well subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow us on all other social media platforms: TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Just put Nyondo Media, then follow us. You're going to see different things. You're going to learn a lot. So there's so many things happening in the world, and we are unaware. So Nyondo Media is here to open up all those things for you, so that you get to know what is happening in the world. Thank you for loving us, for following us. We love you so much. Nyondo Rozet, working with the Nyondo Media. Thank you so much.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Nyondo Glim. Mama, bono bizigo bya Nyondo, nugo bayita Nyondo bulijjo.
Nyondo yani?
Nyondo ebizigo ebirongose ensu ez'abakyala. N'ez'abaana. Mama wange ennaku zino lusulwayo n'onese. Ate nga wentunulamu ennaku zino Nyondo byebizigo buli omu bye yeesiiga. Ate sirina ssente.
Nedda, ekintu si kyakubba bubbi. Si kyakubba bubbi.
Nkola ki kati olwo?
Kintu kyangu nnyo. Tugenda yita kuzina ennamba okufuna kino ekizigo. Kiraba? Tebakiseera bbeeyi layisi bulungi nnyo, ate nga kyamwami na mukyala. Va ku kyabakyala kyokka kyokka, ate nga tekyerusa. Kikuleka mukakkalako. Gwe bannange alina chocolate skin, oli munakyo skin yo, kino ekizigo tekyerusa. Ng'ogenda yita ku nnamba y'essimu eri like +9715246 it's 80778. Gwe nalina tugiddamu mu Luganda. Noti 9774546
era banaye nze ne family yange fena wakatukozesa Nyondo.
Nyondo Glim, tukukumira ku mulembe.